Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. We are the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with a beautiful F33A to tell you about today. She's a 1989 F33A, and guess what? She is turbo-normalized. Let's take a look. So let's talk about your engine. Teldon Continental IO 520, 285 horsepower engine, Flightcraft turbo normalizing system. Now the engine is close to TBO. Now I do want you to know what's great about the turbo normalizing system. We maintain low altitude performance, plus we improve low altitude airspeeds. It's more efficient, runs on cooler temperatures. Love it. As you can see, this Bonanza has a full TKS anti-ice system. We carry 114 gallons of fuel, and check out your Osborne tip tanks. The exterior of this F33A is moon dust overall with bright red and Las Vegas gold stripes. 3,675 hours total time on the airframe since new. So of course we have the large cargo door, easy for our loading. Now I do want you to know the wing Spar AD does not apply to this particular aircraft, and the airplane comes with some nice extras like a custom aircraft cover. So come on in, let's check out the interior together. Brown leather seats, nice sidewalls, the headliner's in good condition, 4-place intercom system, Rosen sun visors. I do want you to know the front seats are showing a little wear. So let's take a look at your flight deck. You will enjoy a Garmin 750 GPS Navcom map. Your number 2 Navcom is a King KX155 digital Navcom. We have chart view on board, charts displayed on the 750. ADS-B traffic is displayed on the 750, as well as ADS-B weather. Your transponder is a Garmin 345 with ADS-B in and out and traffic. Your autopilot is a King 150 autopilot, flight director, slaved HSI with GPSS steering. Other features you will appreciate: a full TKS anti-ice system, the Flightcraft turbo normalizing system, Osborne tip tanks, dual control wheels, shoulder harnesses, all seats, Rosen sun visors, Tornado Alley Turbo Rammer Intercooler, graphic engine monitor, digital fuel flow, and more. This 1989 F33A is looking for a new home. Now remember folks, we have the Flightcraft turbo normalizing system. We maintain low altitude performance, we improve low altitude speeds, lots to love here, cooler engine temps are more efficient. Now we do have all the maintenance records, the logbooks. We do want you to know Bonanza Skull. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you F33A. So give us a call. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft, and yes, we would love to meet you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.